What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best portable massage chairs. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. EARTHLITE Portable Massage. The EARTHLITE Portable Massage Chair is the lightest on our list. The light weight of 15 pounds is only one of the several notable features that make it the best professional portable massage chair. The aircraft-grade aluminum construction makes this model light but robust enough to support a maximum weight of 300 pounds. Our editor's choice also comes with dual-density ProLite cushioning and NaturSoft upholstery that is available in 8 varied color options and a rugged nylon carry case with padded shoulder strap and sternum protection pad. You can choose from vanilla cream, latte, sterling, burgundy, amethyst, mystic blue, teal, and black. There are multiple adjustments for the face, chest pad, arms, and the seat to customize the chair to each client. For buyers who find it hard to fit the foldable chair in the bag, the manufacturer advises them to lower the chest pad to the lowest position. The downsides include non-removable pads and rubber feet coming off. Some users also find the armrest too low. Otherwise, majority of customers who have bought the EARTHLITE portable massage chair for business find it comfortable, user-friendly, and cost-effective. Number 4. Rio Portable Massage Chair. This premium model is made of aircraft-grade aluminum frame and nylon parts fortified by fiberglass. The Master Massage Rio Portable Massage Chair is one of the best-rated portable massage chairs for flexibility and comfort. It accomplishes this with adjustable height and angle for armrests, forward and backward adjustment for chest pads, and removable face cradle and kneeling pads that offers users more control over their positioning. Apart from the 2 knobs used to change the headrest height, the rest of the adjustments are done with levers, which some customers prefer to knobs and screws. The upholstery features the company's exclusive small cell foam cushioning that has a buttery feel. This professional portable massage chair is equipped for a working weight of up to 600 pounds. To enhance mobility and storage, the chair is foldable into dimensions of 24.6 by 14.7 by 14.4 inches, and it comes with a spacious carrying case with wheels. Additionally, it features handles at the top and front for convenient disassembly and a support stand that folds and retracts for compact storage. Buyers who expected to receive a hard case have been disappointed with the nylon luggage-style case. You also cannot adjust the seat. Number 3. STRONGLITE Ergo. The STRONGLITE Ergo Pro 2 has an impressive weight capacity of 600 pounds and weighs 26 pounds. It owes this stability to the patented double tube design and the sturdy heat-treated T6 aluminum alloy. The exterior powder-coated finish lends this professional portable massage chair a clean, glossy look. What's more, the Nature's Touch PU upholstery is eco-friendly and available in 5 different colors: black, royal blue, teal, burgundy, and purple colors. Another appealing quality is the wide height range of 4'6" to 6'6" that makes it suitable for massage therapists with several different clients of varied height. Along with the flexible armrests, users can also adjust the face cradle, the sliding and tilting chest pad, and the seat by raising, lowering, or tilting it. When you buy this mobile model with wheels, you will also receive a detachable pouch for sundries and a carry case made of rugged ballistic nylon. The case includes handles, a zipper, and a padded strap. Customers like the cloudfill padding of the face pillow, the rugged construction, the support for a broader range of height, and high working weight limit. The main complaints are the squeaking noise the chair makes and the inability to adjust armrest height since it only tilts. This is a heavy massage chair, although that is expected considering its high weight capacity. Number 2. Giantex Lightweight Massage Chair. The Giantex portable lightweight massage chair is a budget-friendly product that is sturdily made of powder-coated aluminum frame and textured PU leather that is resistant to oil and water. It also features a comfortable 2-inch thick high-density sponge with small cell foam padding, protective foot pads for the floor, and a foldable flat design that saves space. The compact chair, which comes with a carrying bag with a shoulder strap, weighs 20 pounds but supports weight of up to 350 pounds. You can set the height from 43 to 47 inches and adjust the face cradle, chest pad, armrest, and seat to customize the chair for different individuals. When changing the height of the face cradle, hold the chest plate in position so that they both don't move at the same time. Owners who recommend it as the best portable folding massage chair like its affordability, portability, and durability. Some who have been recovering from eye surgery appreciate the ability to adjust the headrest parallel to the floor, and others have removed the headrest to transform it to a standard office chair that is more comfortable. Although the chair has knobs to tighten it, a number of buyers have noted that it keeps coming loose and wobbles. The head cushion could also be bigger. Number 1. BestMassage Portable Massage Chair. The main appealing quality of BestMassage Portable Massage Chair is the low cost, which suits shoppers who need an affordable model for personal use. Buyers like the customizable headrest that offers a comfortable angle, the adjustable height for the cushions, armrests and leg pads, and the ease of installation. It is a low-end starter chair that comes with a quick release lock mechanism and a canvas bag with additional space for accessories. This is why it is popular with students and owners who only intend to use the massage chair occasionally. However, the BestMassage portable massage chair has limited features and capacity and would therefore not be an ideal portable folding massage chair for professional massage therapists. For instance, it has a low working weight limit of 250 pounds, although the advertising claims it holds much heavier weight. The chair is padded with 2.5-inch thick high-density sponge that some users find thin and uncomfortable. There are also complaints from customers who received damaged units or products with missing components. All in all, the reason it is among the best-rated portable massage chairs is because it performs better than expected considering the price. As long as you manage your expectations, this model would offer you great value for money. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.